Alright, breakout back on chair, and today I'm bringing the excitement, the action, the momentum, because we finally passed the Topstep Combine. As you can see on the screen, we're looking at a balance of $53,007.74, which is above the $53,000 needed to pass the Combine. And so tomorrow we will start the next phase of the Topstep trading account. I am so excited, very happy for this moment. It might not seem like a lot to some of you out there who have been doing this for a while, but this is a big, huge step in the right direction. We have a lot to talk about today, so I'm just going to get right into it. I'm going to start with the first trade I took, and this was just a setup that I take all the time. If you've been watching any of my previous videos, we had a break and a retracement and a continuation move higher. Now, if you look at ES here, we did have a bearish break below the 5-minute opening range, but then we had a quick move up higher. At this point, we were also hovering below VWAP. My idea was to take a short entry if we moved back below, which we didn't, so I did not take a short entry. Instead, I took a long because we had a little pop above the 5-minute opening range, as you can see here. I'm about to move it down a little bit. Yep. Then we had a move into this 50%-ish, 61%-ish area, then move higher. And then notice here how we also have a break, a bullish break of VWAP. And so because of all those factors, I got into longs and I sold right here at 7,125, just when my account was at the threshold to pass the Combine. Now typically, let's see where that was. It's like right around here. So that's reasonable. Of course, I could have felt this for longer, but I'm not complaining. Now, we did have a retracement, another retracement actually here, and it hit the 50%-ish area. But the issue is I kind of want it to be just a little bit lower to touch a VWAP, which we didn't get. And so I did not take any more trades. And I'm not going to take any more trades for the day. If you look here on gold, you'll notice that there were some trades that I took, and this was a big mistake. These trades were all done by accident. What happened was I was looking at ES with the intent of only trading ES for today, but this order window had gold pulled up, as you can see here. Now, it wasn't until I was looking at my P&L swing and noticing that it was different. No, it wasn't consistent with what I was seeing on the charts. I thought to myself, well, like, what the heck is going on here? And so this actually happened twice. And fortunately, that did not cause me to lose a significant amount of my profits. But that's something I have to keep an eye out for. So that was the great, amazing, fantastic end to Topstep Combine. All right. So now I'm going to talk about some gold trades that I actually did intentionally put on. And this time that was in the Apex account that I'm trading. So I'm going to switch over to the Apex account and we'll talk about those trades. Okay, so in the Apex accounts, I took a short and then a long. It will be better if I just mark the opening range here. All right, so gold, we did have a move below VWAP. Below VWAP. So I was thinking we would get a move lower, but we popped right back up. If you look at the fib retracement, let's see. Well, I was using Topstep X to show the fib retracement, but we basically had like the 61.8% area around here, then I moved lower, and I was looking for a continued move lower, but then we had this pop up, and because of that, this was a losing trade. But then we kind of had the same thing happen, but on the bullish side, we had to move up, kind of like a retest of VWAP, a bullish reclaim move up, then a retest of VWAP, and then a movement into 50%-ish area for the fib. And so that was my signal to go long. And yeah, I held this long, and that netted me a profit of $1,290. And so right now I'm looking at a total profit of $552.92 on the Apex Eval. So those are my trades for today. My 3 trades total. As you can see, I'm trading on Apex now, which is a good segue into what I want to talk about next, which is going to include my plans for my trading and for this YouTube account. My plan is to first get a payout with Topstep, and then see if I can pass this Apex Eval. And if I can pass this Apex Eval without any issues, then I'm going to scale up. I'm going to try to pass a few other combines or evals, whatever you want to call them. That is what I'm looking to do in the short to medium term. But I'm just glad all of the work that I put in and all the time I spent back testing and logging trades and journaling is starting to pay off, even though it's not the most exciting thing. Now, in terms of this channel, I do want to start adding more variety to the content. I'm going to include some tutorials, some more advice, and basically just give you more of an idea on is how I trade, or share things that I've learned through my experience that'll hopefully be helpful to you. So look out for that. But otherwise, I hope you all have an amazing day. And yeah, I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.